Hi viewers, welcome to this new video lecture series, and this is going to be the video number 2 with the topic Industry 4.0. So in this video lecture we are going to see the various features of Industry 4.0, and this is going to be the slide number 1, so which gives the comparison between the industry revolution, the previous version to the current version of Industry 4.0. So Industry 3.0 is very closer as compared to the other industrial revolution 1 and 2. So this is going to give you clarity between what are the components that make the difference between Industry 3.0 and Industry 4.0. And with respect to the system focus, Industry 3.0, which is a legacy industrial revolution process, there was an automation for the execution of any kind of activity, manufacturing activity. That is, every activity in the manufacturing is automated either through the programmings or either through the predefined sequence or the steps. Whereas Industry 4.0 is all about the autonomous decision making, which is the major characteristic feature of Industry 4.0. In other words, the decision making is not done by the human beings. It is done by the autonomous system due to the dynamic data is collected from the manufacturing environment. And if you see the data processing for the Industry 3.0 was done by the centralized local servers, which collects the information from all the sensors and all the systems, physical systems, and they are collected in a centralized manner. So whereas for the Industry 4.0, all the activities with respect to the data processing are sent to or distributed either through the cloud or through the edge computing process. And maintenance, Industry 3.0, there is a maintenance called preventive maintenance and scheduled maintenance, which was the characteristic feature of Industry 3.0, whereas for the Industry 4.0, there is a new terminology emerged as far as the maintenance is concerned. It is called as the predictive maintenance, which is getting the assistance from the AI. So it is called as the AI-driven predictive maintenance, in which with the help of AI, that is artificial intelligence, the failure of a particular system or the machine is predicted actually before the failure occurs. That is why it is called a predictive maintenance, and it is much improved version of the preventive maintenance that was seen in the Industry 3.0. And when you see the production style for the legacy industrial revolution process, it focuses on the high volume standardization, which means that all the products are manufactured in the mass segments, that is mass quantity. So it is called as mass production of the manufacturing, whereas those high volumes are standardized in the Industry 3.0. Whereas for the Industry 4.0, it gives more emphasis on the agile mass customization. In the sense, agile in the sense there is a very short time between the transition of raw material into a finished product or the market or the product moving to the market. So either way, the timing is very short. It is made short by the sophisticated system in the Industry 4.0, and the customization is also made easy here. So this is going to be the important characteristic feature of Industry 4.0. And the human role in the previous industry revolution systems, or the manual, that is the human is going to be the operator and the controller. He controls everything and he gives the direction to the manufacturing activities. Whereas for the Industry 4.0, the human being or the human operator or the human worker is going to play a role of strategic supervisor and analyst. He is going to get the data from the processor, and out of the data he gets the recommendation from the AI, and from the recommendations he is going to select the most optimum one. That can also be done by the AI, but the final decision is taken by the human operator or the human analyst, and he is going to be the strategic supervisor for all the manufacturing activity. So what are the important technological pillars we see in Industry 4.0? And the World Economic Forum, it says that over 70% of the top manufacturers worldwide, they prioritize the industrial IoT integration with the manufacturing activity. Industrial IoT is acronymed as IIoT, and today the manufacturing scenario has changed. Around 70% are moving towards the sophisticated manufacturing strategies, and this statistics gives more clarified, detailed view on the shift from Industry 3.0 to 4.0. And for the Industry 4.0, if it is being an engine, and what are the other core components or the core technological pillars which are used for the Industry 4.0 engine. So it starts from AIML, that is Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, which takes care of the predictive maintenance and the basic data analytics. And using the artificial intelligence and the machine learning, the skeleton or the basic details of the physical systems and the cyber systems are combined together, and we get the analysis about all the data here. And robotics and additive manufacturing have become the major power booster for the manufacturing sector. So robotics is going to be very human friendly, and additive manufacturing is going to be one of the future major substitute for the subtractive manufacturing, which gives more advantage as far as the manufacturing is concerned. So both of the technologies, robotics and the additive manufacturing, they give agile 3D physical production. That is, any component can be manufactured using the additive manufacturing process, and any component can be taken to the any kind of hostile environment using the robotics. And the third one, cyber physical systems. Earlier there is no such word or the term coined in the Industry 3.0, and this is going to be the very important phenomena for the Industry 4.0. Cyber, it means computer, physical, it means the machines, and the computer machines are combined together to form the cyber physical systems, linking the digital and the real world assets for analyzing the details behind the manufacturing to improve the manufacturing statistics. And in the AI era and information technology era, we deal with more number of data, and these data must be preserved, these data must be retrieved when the need arises, and these are all taken care of by the big data architectures. Complex pattern recognition is made by using of big data architectures. And industrial IoT, we have already seen the statistics related to the industrial IoT. That is pervasive data collection. So if you are using the industrial environment using the Internet of Things, it can be an industrial IoT, that is industrial Internet of Things, where all the systems that are connected to the manufacturing activity or linked to the internet, so that the manufacturing activity can be controlled outside the shop floor or the work floor. So these are the essential core technological pillars of Industry 4.0. We will see the rest of the things in the subsequent videos. Thank you all.